Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the O-rings in your faucet to stop that annoying leak around the base. It's a simple DIY fix that you can do at home with just a few basic tools. So, let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. First, turn off both the hot and cold water valves under your sink. Then, open the faucet to make sure the water has completely stopped running. Once no water comes out, you're ready to move on. Step 2. Remove the faucet handle. Pop off the small decorative cap on the front of the faucet handle. Next, use an Allen wrench to loosen the set screw and remove the handle. Set the handle and screw aside somewhere safe. You'll need them later. Step 3. Take off the top ring and spout. Wrap a towel around the chrome ring on top of the faucet to protect the finish. Then, use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove it. Once it's loose, unscrew it the rest of the way by hand. Now, carefully pull the faucet spout straight up and off. A little water might drain out, so keep a towel nearby. Step 4. Remove the old O-rings. Inside the faucet body, you'll see 2 black rubber O-rings. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently lift the bottom O-ring and roll it off. Then, remove the upper O-ring the same way. Be careful not to scratch the metal surface. Step 5. Clean the faucet parts. Before installing the new O-rings, wipe away any mineral buildup or old grease from inside the faucet neck and grooves. This helps the new O-rings seal properly and last longer. Step 6. Install the new O-rings. Take your new O-rings and slide one into the top groove first. Then, roll it down into the bottom groove. Make sure both rings sit evenly in their grooves. Step 7. Apply plumber's grease. Use silicone plumber's grease to lightly coat both O-rings. This keeps them flexible, prevents leaks, and makes the faucet swivel smoothly. Step 8. Reassemble the faucet. Check that the small plastic slide rings are still in place, one at the top and one at the bottom. Slide the faucet spout back onto the body. Then screw the chrome ring back on. Tighten it gently with your wrench, just snug, not too tight. Step 9. Refit the handle. Place the handle back on top of the cartridge. Use your Allen wrench to tighten the set screw and pop the small cap back in. Everything should feel solid and secure. Step 10. Turn the water valves back on. Try moving the faucet spout left and right. It should turn smoothly without leaking. Run some water and check around the base for any drips. And that's it. You've just replaced your faucet O-rings and stopped the leak all by yourself. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple home repair tutorials. Thanks for watching.